Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make drum rolls in FL Studio. We'll start by opening the piano roll for your drum track. Select the desired drum sound, like a snare or hi-hat, and place your initial notes. Then, we'll explore how to quickly add multiple notes to form a roll. Remember to vary the velocity of each note to achieve a more natural and less robotic sound. This technique is crucial for adding professional polish to your beats. Now, let's dive into some advanced techniques to make your drum rolls truly stand out. Try using different grid divisions, like 1/4 or 1/8 notes, to create intricate and varied roll patterns. Don't be afraid to automate parameters such as pitch or filter cutoff on individual notes within your roll. This can add a dynamic and evolving texture. Layering a clap or a rim shot with your snare roll can also provide a much fuller and more impactful sound. To give your drum rolls a more organic and less quantized feel, consider adding some groove and variation. Applying a subtle swing percentage, perhaps around 5% to 10%, can make a huge difference in how the roll sits in your mix. Experiment with slightly nudging individual notes off the grid to introduce human imperfections. Incorporating ghost notes, which are very low-velocity hits, can also add intricate rhythmic detail without overpowering the main beat. These small adjustments elevate your production. Finally, let's talk about finalizing your drum rolls to ensure they sound great in your full production. Make sure the volume of your rolls is balanced with the rest of your drums and instruments. Applying a touch of compression can help glue the roll together and give it more punch and presence in the mix. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Once satisfied, you can render your drum track, ready for the next stage of your music creation process. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.